Hi, Deborah. Hi, Val. I'm Gina Rabel. I'm part of Group 1 with Karen Cash, Ted Nolan, and Brian Emerson. Our project is the DittoDisk, and this was an exciting week as we conducted our very first face-to-face meetings and phone calls with gurus and customers. We visited with 5 of our 6 gurus and 6 of our 12 customers. In order to test our value proposition, we also sent a 16-question survey to our gurus and a 19-question survey to our customers. After our initial survey results came in, we realized that we needed to make a few changes to our original value proposition. Feedback helped us realize that real-world examples needed to be added in order to better convey the pain associated with a catastrophic data loss. We decreased product details and technical jargon. Through the survey results, we also discovered that the end user may not fully understand the difference between a data backup and data redundancy. So this is something that we'll address with future educational messaging. I wanted to share a few of our more interesting findings. Customer respondents indicated that they would be devastated to lose their data and that many of their files are simply irreplaceable. They unanimously agreed that safeguarding their data was critical, but they indicated that a backup solution needs to be both simple and automatic. Very importantly, we had suspected that end users were not confident about their data being secure, and this was confirmed through the survey results. What I'm showing here, 2/3 of the customers we surveyed indicated that they had experienced data loss, and further questioning confirmed that our customers are concerned it will happen again. Incredibly, half of our respondents indicated that they never back up their data. So we feel this illustrates a significant opportunity to present a solution. As I mentioned, we also surveyed our gurus. They unanimously felt that end user data volume and the value of that data is only increasing. Our gurus also indicated that data loss, of course, is devastating, and they felt that most end users fail to properly protect their data. This fact was confirmed by our customer surveys. Over the coming weeks, our team must work to gain additional insight into pricing expectations. 40% of our gurus indicated that we did not provide an acceptable price range. This was somewhat confusing given that we allowed them to indicate a price either higher or lower than the ranges we provided. However, we'll get additional clarity when discussing this matter with our gurus in person. It was very encouraging to see that our gurus felt DittoDisk should be offered as an optional feature on new PCs and laptops, so we need to further investigate the feasibility of that approach. We solicited feedback about current backup solutions as well as desired backup features, and our guru feedback in particular was very invaluable this last week. One indicated that the backup market is becoming somewhat saturated, so we should focus on improving data access and safeguarding that data. Another guru mentioned that price sensitivity is of utmost importance, given that DittoDisk will not provide for an increase in capacity. Multi-system use was also mentioned, like smartphone backups, and also mentioned was an option for disk to cloud. This coming week, we'll be visiting with our gurus and customers in person to help us gain a better understanding about our prospective customers. We'll also be sending out a follow-up survey so that we may discover what compels our prospective customers to buy, how best to reach these prospective customers, and how to segment our market. Lastly, we will test our revised value proposition as it may need further refinement. Thank you.